Hello people, and for this round, we'll be showing you how to install Brawl Stars on PC. Now as we all know, this is a mobile game, so what we have to do is to get ourselves an emulator. Right now we're on a browser, so I'm just gonna open another browser, go to Google. Now you can choose to type in Brawl Stars or LD Player. Yeah, as you can see when I type LD, it already shows Brawl Stars. And there you go, once you see this, just click on that and just click on Download Brawl Stars on PC. Now all we have to do is to install the LD Player because it comes with that. Install. Now it offers McAfee, but we can just skip that, the optional offers, and it will be downloading. Now since we download LD Player via Brawl Stars, it will automatically start downloading Brawl Stars as soon as LD Player loads up after installation, as we can see right here. So we'll just once again have to wait for that, give it a few minutes. And so now once Brawl Stars is done installing, it automatically launches on its own. Here's a key map tip. Yeah, it says you can press F12 so you can see all these controls. Let's just confirm that. And here we go, we are loading in Brawl Stars. Now as you can see, we can use WASD or WASD to move your character. And there you go guys, I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. Again, thank you for watching and see you again next time.